Today, I'll show you how to set priorities in ClickUp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly mark which tasks are the most urgent, which are medium priority, and which can wait, all from your list or table view. Let's start by opening your ClickUp workspace and navigating to the space, folder, or list where your tasks live. Make sure you're in either the list view or the table view, since that's where the priority control is visible for each task. If you're not already there, look toward the top of your screen and select list or table from the view options so your tasks appear in a simple row-based layout. Once you're in the correct view, locate the task you want to update. Each task will be displayed in a row with several columns of information such as the task name, assignee, due date, and so on. Focus on the area just to the right of the task name. Here you'll see a small flag icon. This flag represents the priority setting for that specific task. If the task doesn't have a priority set yet, the flag may look grey or empty. If it already has a priority assigned, you might see a coloured flag instead. Either way, the process is the same. Move your cursor to that flag icon and click it once. This will open a small priority menu right where you clicked. In this menu, you'll see the available priority options. These typically range from lowest priority through normal and high all the way up to urgent. Take a moment to think about how important and time-sensitive this task really is. For example, if it's something that needs to be completed today or has a tight deadline, choosing a high or urgent priority makes sense. If it's more of a nice-to-have task that can be done later, a low or normal priority is probably better. Now simply click on the priority you want. As soon as you select it, the flag icon next to your task name will update to match the priority level you chose, often with a corresponding color. This visual indicator makes it easy to scan your list and immediately spot what needs attention first. If you ever change your mind, you can adjust the priority just as easily. Return to that same flag icon, click it again, and choose a different priority from the menu. Your new selection will replace the old one instantly, so you're never locked into a decision. As you work through your tasks, try to get into the habit of setting a priority for each new item you create. Doing this consistently helps you and your team see at a glance which tasks are critical and which can be scheduled later. It can also make sorting and filtering your tasks more effective, since you can group or filter by priority to plan your day. That's all there is to it. In list or table view, click the flag icon to the right of the task name, then choose the priority you want. With just that quick action, you'll keep your ClickUp workspace organized and make it much easier to focus on what truly matters first.